goodness, here comes the coffee cart.
Oh yeah.
Good morning.
Here comes all the workers.
I was looking at different programs that had done career-based programs around the nation because I was getting ideas, and I had seen some other programs that had coffee cart. They ran their program differently than we do, but it was an idea that stuck with me. We had to design it so that it would fit here at BOCES. Tuesdays we do baking and also serving just beverages. So the afternoon students are doing all of our baking using the ADA compliant stove and ovens.
Yes,
Pittman
I
has
am.
a
don't have to pay for her.
decaf.
We have a lot of support from all of our different administrators and our teachers. Some teachers order every day. They've really welcomed our students into their classrooms. Some teachers will order on a particularly cold day. They might order tea for everyone in their classroom. We have an administrator that has a standing order for baked goods that she then gives to the staff. The students in our classroom, they get very upset if they don't get to be on coffee cart, but they're so excited and they just love to go on it that they get disappointed if they're not on coffee cart. It's a preferred activity. They love going out and seeing all the other teachers, all the other students in the program. The thing that made me the happiest out of all of the coffee cart is just seeing the students gaining a sense of community in the building and being out and seeing all the other students and all the other staff members and really becoming a part of the CTE community. That has been the most rewarding and excellent aspect of all of this, was to have them become part of the CTE building and all of the family.